We are here to present the awards for Best Documentary Short and Best Documentary Feature.
These awards honor the best in documentary filmmaking, films that give us real stories about real life, with past winners like Woodstock, Free Solo, An Inconvenient Truth,
Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, Jurassic World Dominion.
No, Kate, no. No, those aren't documentaries.
What do you mean?
No, Kate, the dinosaurs weren't real.
Oh, America, not you too.
No, I know the dinosaurs were real, but in the movies, they were CGI. There was a documentary about it.
My God, Dr. Spielberg, sir? Is this true? Wow. But, Jeff Goldblum is real, right?
No.
Then to whom have I been sending my tasteful nudes? Good. You're welcome.
The nominees for Best Documentary Short are The ABCs of Book Banning, Sheila Nevins and Trish Edlesick. The Barber of Little Rock, John Hoffman and Christine Turner. Island in Between, S. Leo Chiang and Jean Chen. The Last Repair Shop, Ben Proudfoot and Chris Bowers. Nai Nai and Waipo, Sean Wong and Sam Davis.
And the Oscar goes to The Last Repair Shop, Ben Proudfoot and Chris Bowers.
This is the second Oscar win and third nomination for Ben Proudfoot, and the first win and second nomination for Chris Bowers.
Wow, thank you so much, the Academy. This is incredible. Thank you. Thank you so much. The Last Repair Shop is about the heroes in our schools who often go unsung, unthanked, and unseen. Tonight, you are sung, you are thanked, and you are seen. Thank you all so much for what you do. John Williams inspired me to become a composer. He went to LA Public Schools. I went to LA Public Schools. This is Portia Brinker. She's 12 years old. She's learning to play violin in LA Public Schools. She looks amazing tonight. And LA is one of the last cities in America to give public school students free and freely repaired instruments. And we need to fix that because music education isn't just about creating incredible musicians, it's about creating incredible humans. We want to thank Searchlight, LA Times, Breakwater Studios, Et al. Studios, every human who poured their heart into this film. I want to thank my mom and dad, and also to my wife, Brianna, and our daughter, Coda. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you.